Ibwega kaire murithiria wa Meru Tv tukuinambere kuwa twicokagira kengo twithirwa tukigwatanagira na kengo tukainambere kwigwa tukiaranagiria muno kuruki gutigira ati tukumurika maramekire twinya kirima ngatheti mbere tutiathi Queen ya kauna emuthi ntuwira twitaga ni Friday vibes ntuwira tuthia nambere kwigwa tukinagia kauna tukiringa musiki ibwega na nkirigagira wisa sawani uri kana no karibwega ngatheti rende niyo emuthi ngatheti ya The Daily Nation nansi ndogo na yitenyo ya kagita gate kuraya ndina ngatheti ya Daily Nation ngatheti ra yena ngono kathumba gaogo kawithire tugatumia ndarika inkai sana kiri kuraithiria ngatheti eno ngorina kona chikiri torito kiri ngatheti eno ya Daily Nation muthenya wa emuthi ni aratukuona Ruto corners Uhuru, yani araruto mutongora wa mugongo Ndagitari William Samoei Ruto arerikana na thiete na mbere kwinyainyiria kuthiyathiyangi kuitaitia kuiteria ruthingoni konani uyu ari mutongori wa mugongo Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta onto bobo ririkana ati president uyu wa ukabere Kenyatta ati karibu ega kana atikuwerirwa kuma utongoriani na arende bamwe ba atongoria bakuma Jubilee bethirito bakionekana bakenda kuwatanira na rais urore kuthaino Ndagitari William Samoei Ruto na ile kuurikana atongore baba kaya gutwika bakauma Azimio na atawakarika president uyu wa ukabereri akethirwa akithukaia mwerekera uriku Uhuru kuririkana ngatheti no ri kiuria nata bukathingatira karibu uri kubukathingatira kire Uhuru. What next for Uhuru? Bwega rugono rutu karwithira karatati ni gatuna gatutano na kinya karatati gatuthanthatu koyo na rugono rungi ruria ikagita kaganata kana ire obatiri kwegwo kiumaga kwenu yani ngikugurwa at what age should you move out of family home of your family kagita kaganata kana kariku kega karoko batara kwegwa okay ura watu kethea rugono ru nambe gute utakagita gato thongera ngatheti ni no makwemwe ngutariri imwe chengo nira nkwana chikiretwe inya kiri ngatheti eno kwena rugono ruria gaogo a walk down a street a sniper's bullet and the riddle of Amanda kwerekana Mary Lilian Waithera gathenya miaka 46 athia na mbere kwigwa kiuma ngugeni na ara National Health Insurance Fund NHIF offices hapa Hills Nairobi bena muchore wake Antonia tha 11 chia ogoro muthenya wa Jumathatu akuma kani nyuma ya kuma garuko bichini ino mbere ya ithari thira aririkana na ari aguta uturo bwake kuma ngugeni tha 11 na nyuma ya ithari thira na ari guta uturo bwake aririkana Miss Waithera uraethiritwe akiruta wira na NHIF kwa miaka 15 na ora and whom colleagues yesterday described as the go-to person as she was well versed with the government agency operations working with Ms. Damaris Achieng when she complained of chest pain. Kuririkana mwekuru uyu kana mwari uyu arutite ngugi na NHF kwa miaka 15 na kuririkana muchore umwe wake akimu describe kana kinenkanira bura muntu yake nethiritwe akimwetheta muntu arari umwega muno na arai na mierekere miega na mantu mange tamara kuririkana mwekuru uyu athie na mbere kuigwa complainer kana akiaragia akiugaga na kwankanwa ikibara na wankanwa ikibara chest pain. That was at 5:30 when she asked Ms. Achieng to call for an ambulance moment before she collapsed on the pavement outside of the optical outlet of Kaunda Street. She was bleeding from the nose and mouth, according to Ms. Achieng and other witnesses who flocked the scene. Kurekana 5:30 ili anjeri complain kibara yake giwakana na aringira muchoro yibo mitano ngugenia mwira tabathari tambitira ambulance a corrupts kana awandi ambiri kuma ndamu na nyoro na athi na mbere kwigua giteyaga uturo bwake karugono kakaria kuririkana antu ibakubatara kwigua bakithia na mbere kwigua bagichekawa miri yago kagita na kagita nuntu rirwa thina ino imwe complications ino imwe ire itembangire ugaoka wogutu piu bwega tukaina mbere kwa tukiruthagirwa check up ya miri yetu kengo gutigira ati tukurigiria mandu ta mama kuthina mbere kwigua makiu magira courts where the law is a child's friend, the technology that will help speed up cases of deferment sought among others. This room will prevent a conducive environment of children who have been affected. When children are psychologically affected, it's going to make sure that they get a good environment to testify in the case that they are involved. He said, Director of Public Prosecution Nordin Aji kuirikana ati kukathi na mbere kwigwa kana koti nigithiritwe kina mbere kwekinga na gutigira ati ye na mutaratara we umwega wa gutigira ati ni go speed kana ni kuthithia na mpwe magamba mara methiritwe makirundanira kotini muno nkuruki kwagirithia mutata mantu makonena magamba ma ana kurutha guntu kwega kurana bagakara kengo kagita kara bakina mbere kwa bakirutaga ukweka baki kagita kara bathi bari kana magamba tamama bakaina mbere kwa bena guntu kwega okara na kengo bakethirwa bake aragia kana bakiruta ma okoye mago karatati ni gatuna Uhuru at a crossroad as Jubilee plots Azimio exit. Iro wana watu kuonete kana karatatini ka kambere ango kuragia ugakarata Uhuru akathukia mwerekero riku Uhuru akathukirio ntububwata ati kwina bamwe batongoria kana bamwe ba atongoria ba murengo wa Jubilee baraba kubanga kumagaruka ke murengo wa Azimio la Umoja untubobo katiga rais wa ukabere Uhuru Muigai mwana wa Kenyatta ata nara kwerekana untubobo bomba kabukainyria Uhuru sana. A faction of Jubilee party that Tribune President Uhuru Kenyatta has laid the groundwork for exit from the opposition coalition with an ultimate to the party leader that effectively signals a looming coup by setting in motion plans to withdraw from the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party, where Mr. Kenyatta sits by virtue of his post as a Jubilee party leader. Untububu bombe buka ragania murengo oyo wa Jubilee amba utuike kanyagara at the same time Azimio la Umoja Kenyayo bombe ko gatuika ikathira inya kana inyara yethiritwo yinio for long time kombege kathira kumania na matagare mama waguri ngatheti ino murithere wa Meru Tv kaina mbere kwigua bonagira Ruto is a threat to democracy, Raila says. Uyo ni mutongoria wa ikaratari gatuthandatu mutongoria wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Raila Odinga muthenya wa goro arathie na mbere kwigua stepped up is onslaught against President William Ruto administration, outlining 6 key areas for push back against the Kenya Kwanza government. Mr. Odinga said the country was in a serious trouble and Kenyans must wake up to the sad state of affairs. The former Prime Minister leader spoke when together with the other Azimio leaders including Wiper boss Kalonzo Musyoka and his NARC Kenya counterpart Martha Karua. They accompanied Jubilee officials to the party's headquarters after obtaining court orders against the registrar of a political party's office. Aganara Raila athia na mbere kwigua muthenya wa goro akimenagiria utongoria bwa Ruto na akiuga utongoria bwa Ruto ibwethiritwe bugikurukana na sheria utongore bobwa Ruto no utongore bura bwethiritwe buta gukinyaniria mara makwendekana akithina mbere kuga ati kwina mantu kathumba mara utongore bubu bukubatira kwegwa bukiraithagiria na mara methiritwe maki inyagiria akenya na rende Raila ugite Ruto ithi nakanu wati kiri uthina mbere bwa nthiguru mantu marara ugire goro kwina ngono chingi kathumba iriaga Ruto free to feel whatever sijui ngono chike biashara na ngono chingi kathumba iria number of Kenyans facing starvation rises as drought persist mugana wa namba kana wa Kenya baraba ethirite bakina mbere kwigwa bakenya mara ni jura no thite na mbere gwitia kuma na yura rya ngutire ari ethirite rekina mbere kwigwa rikioneka ntere mwanya aganthi guruni kwina antu bwana batena gantu gakuruma kwina guntu kwina yura rithuku chairi ndiona gambi chairi ngetwagao mendende ya angania ni tunyamutu tuthiaga ndiona mendende iri agaugo mendende era yethiritwe kiuma na yura riri yethiritwe rikionekana aga nthiguru ni thirikari ni kubatara kurutha mpwempwe gutigira ati ni kuchwira ngerekana yura riri tuonete na arante cia Tharaka guntu kura bethiritwe bakuga Meru ni ambiritie kubwa guntu bura ende Meru ino yethiritwe kitwika tiena roje na bakendende thirikari rugura yonthe rugura wari kiguye undingange Meru era yethiritwe Meru era yethiritwe igitwika tiko tiena roiro kugana na bakiuga gwagibaro yoro no wati bonene wagibaro yoro no wati bonene no kirebo na kinya kirendethe chiago inanse ngukumukagira kumwira rugora yonthe mirango ya studio athongire nakare nago Ruto plans to revamp NHF is a healthy move. Ruto kubanga President William Ruto latest pronounced on the National Health Insurance Fund NHF should set the stage for the virtual role of the agency in the delivery of quality health services. The president has pledged that a revamped NHF cover all medical conditions. Okay, mutarata watu ngwete twarite mutarata yugoro ora gukwerekana NHF ne kubatira kwewe kavaga mirimo yonthe na bill ino chionthe chibite ntububu no bwinambere kwa bwithethagiria anene kuthiria thina ire chithiritu gikuyagirwa eti at times wathi chibitari ukerwa bobo butiombekana gukawone NHF tafadhali ukabatara kwigwa ukiongaongagira tunyamu murimo agatwa kinyende NHF ne titethia mantu mama watwika mirimo yonthe kana mantu monthe maigena ugima makaina mbere kwa maikava amwe ni NHF ino no ntubura bukonekana takabu kaina mbere kwa bokeagirithagia mantu maigeni na ugima bwa mwiri ara untububu bukaina mbere kwa bore tagari nene kana atua mbele kiri thirikari kana kiri nthiguru yetu ya Kenya. Night of the long knives that never was, or how the media were played. Friend Matiang'i story on how his home was allegedly attacked by police on Wednesday last week was imaginatively told. No images of the night attack were published, and this week on Wednesday, police broke into the home of the former Interior Cabinet Secretary to retrieve the CCTV images of the last week's event. This week's break-in took place in a broad day, and the full gale of the media, it's now likely bearing any legal charges. The images of last week's event will be made public. Regardless, we are concerned about how the media report the alleged attack last week. Marcus Gay wrote to complain that the National employed the one night of the long knives in its headline. I find hate this okay. Tuita mageshongo kionde irogono ruru wa Matiang'i last week but one ntugo ya Jumatano Mujo Matiangi itwonie Matiangi oyo no rare waziri wa okaribu andaina wathani wa matura kiri thirikari ya enu ya nyuma gwe ya Huru Muigai mwana wa Kenyatta aratonire akibumena kuga ati nathie na mbere kwigwa akiumagirwa ni abithaa babolishi na awa keo tu Kalen tuburende bathire na mbere kwigwa kana bwathemire lawyers bake na baraba Raila baina mbere kwa bakibumagiria na kumeneria ontubobo amona ndeto ino muraithirie kuririkana gutina mbicha no emwe ya ontubobo ya thina mbere kwigwa kionekanaga na arende muthenya wa Jumatano eno abolishi babajire muthenya barigishi diu arire iguru muthenya barigishi bathina mbere kwa bakibumagiria na bari onga gontuku kuririkana ati ka bayete kuraitha mbicha ino chia CCTV kuona kana ndero cia Jumatano irengi ichiagoma chiari na kuririkana mbicha ino kina mbere kwigwa igikagwa ruoni tukionaga kwina nkuyanio yathie na mbere kuonekana abolishi bakiwa batatu mene bubata usikana mantu mama baba raitha mantu makona na ngukumo na mbina bakiwa batatu mene indi kiure kya kinene ri ibao baba bajire bayete kuliunga kwa Matiangi aya karatati ni gatugana karatati ni 18 kuona barua cia mwandiki ya gaogo kwena ngona from bins of bondage to bins of joy but a teenage girl in Turkana walks around with 100 bins around her neck to attract potential suitors. That's changing mwana yani aikirite mikali karibu ngiri gana kendo kuyeria arume kamwarega kana arantereshe Turukana karere kana anga na mikathi ireri kibara yake karibu yena tumikathi kana to beans to nini twetawa beans kurukia ngiri igana twatogere tukibarani iki yake kengotigira ate tukuja potential sweeter kana muntu ora akagura muntu ora omwega akaina mbere kwigwa agikaguraga ngono imucyango nechithire tuyikigirwo inya ngatheti-ini no muraithire wa Meru TV no thina mbere ko kiguraga ngatheti ino no kairaithira yo female police officers asked for maternity uniform or better housing. Female police officers ask for maternity uniform bana abolishi bara ba kurubethire tubakienda uniform ya maternity na bena nyomba imbega bwega virtual gender lessons from Magoha's Fana kuma na mathiko mama Magoha mututigi Magoha kwina lessons kadhumba twathie na mbere kwa tukira itukithomaga kumania na mathiko mama karatatini gaka agatwekire mantu mama the voice kaina mbere kwa ikithomagira rugono oruru okay bwega sana ngono ningi nkuonaga muraithiri wa Meru TV ngono ikoneni na mantu ma advert ino ni baraba ithagurwa bakienda ku advertiserwa ma intobiawa mademo ndia mantu makona kithomo education is the most powerful engine for progress kithomo ikyo engine iraide na inya sana kire othi na mbere my career growth has had nothing to do with luck kiranda omerete tiko bata kana gitino ntubokothanda timbati kiranda omerete timbati kwina rugono roka mwarega weto Maureen believes that to be truly successful one has to continuously work on themselves while updating their skills and gaining more experiences. Kamwaraga weto Maureen kariuga etigiti atekenga gomba go succeed in life. Kenga gomba gutwika muntu wa bata, muntu wa gitumi, mutorere ni uyu no nkinya uthinambere kwirutaniria. No nkinya uthinambere kwigwo kiwaka hard. Kenga gutigira ati ukuthina mbere kwigua uge succeedaga gatu ina mbere kwa tukithirikathirikagiria agu kengo twigua tukichokagira ndarika itekuraya na bad yetu Chief Ali and the bad ngwetegia nkobona rutero arongirwa studio bebanga bangane kwandarika inkai then kengo tukaina mbere kwigua tuki inagia kauna nkona nansi munde atia ya na malinda nansi munde atia ya na malinda ayete ari na dancing mood anyway gatu inambere kwigua tukiumagara kugiragu murithiria wa Meru TV kengo kagite gatekora ya tugachokera na Nancy Ndogo kiri find vibes na mantu makaina mbere kwigua makaga tigachenche mutambo gukone kwa Meru TV ni ubambetaga ni Faminas wa Kimathi. Good morning.